Sup guys, this is another emulator WoW tutorial. This time I'll teach you how to make your private server public without Hamachi, which is slightly more complicated than making it with Hamachi. So I will guide you through this tutorial, hopefully unpainful. Okay, let's start out with well, I'll be using no IP for this tutorial, link in the sidebar, noip.com, and we will create an account. You want to go to create account, and you want to fill in all this stuff. When that's done, you want to hit accept. I accept, create my account, and you probably should go to your email or something like that and confirm your creation of the account. If not, or when that's done, you want to go to log in. And you want to log in with your email. Yep, that's right. And you want to go to host/redirects. Okay, you want to add a host. Here we have it, and then you want to choose over here which one you want to take. Go under the no IP free domains, surfgame.com, and I'm gonna take awesomeness, if that not already taken. Okay, you want to push the DNS host, and you want to put your IP address in there, but it's already there. Assign to a group, new groups, and you want to create host. So when that's done, you want to go and edit something on your computer. You want to search for run, or run in English and kør in Danish. So you want to search for, go to your C directory, you want to type in Windows, you want to slash drivers, no, system, and you want to slash again, and you want to type in drivers and etc, and you want to find, okay, we got it here. You should have these files, and you should have a hosts file, and you want to open it. It's probably don't have any, it's just a file, so you have to find a program you want to open it with. Node, what's it called in English? I'm not sure. Node block. I think that's a WordPad. I'm just gonna use node block for this. So you should have something like this, or if you already tried to make it public once, you should have something completely different. So what you want to put in here is the external IP and the internal IP. External and internal, yeah. Okay, so let's just start out with deleting that one, and you want to go to start again. You want to type in or cmd and ipconfig. That should be it. And once again, sorry, it's in Danish, but you want to find your IP, which is under the Ethernet. What's it called in English? Oh my god. Yeah, it's this number. It's usually something like that. 3 numbers and 3 numbers, 1 number and 3 numbers, something like that. Something like that. That's mine. So I'm gonna copy this one. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I copied. And you can press tab 2 times or 1 time, and you go up there. So that's just so you got it all under control. And here you want to type in your DNS host, which we made in the start. Mine was awesomeness dot no, not dot, dot servegame.com. Right. If you're not sure, you can always go check it. It's here, and just copy paste it to make sure, because it will not work if it's not the right, and that's not the right either. So I didn't copy paste it, but like that. And one, that's mine, not yours, mine. Okay, so we're gonna want to go to the next, and this is the internal IP, which you can find if you go to whatismyip.com, and you will copy paste this number, and you want to paste it down under here, and you want to press tab one or twice, and you want to type in awesomeness.servegame.com, or not awesomeness, you want to type in your DNS. If it says something like this and you can't if it gives you this area and you can't save it, press OK, and it will give you this, and see if you can press save. Yes, which means that you can't save it because you're running on a Vista computer. We can just copy this and not save. And you want to go here, and you want to go to your properties. That's right, yeah, properties, and you want to go to safety. And this is only if you run on a you know, Vista computer. If you want to run on oh my god, I forget everything. If you run on a normal computer without Vista, you will you wouldn't have to do this. So you want to press OK, which makes you the user of this computer, which is you. It makes you able to edit in here, and want to paste it in again, and you want to save it. Let's see if I saved it enough. Yeah, I saved it. Okay, so hopefully you got that right. So that's done. Okay, so now you want to open up your repack folder, which yeah, where you placed it is where you placed it. So you want to go to your realms config, and you want to just gonna make it big. You want to go down to logon server address, where it says localhost, and you want to change that to your DNS host servegame.com. and we're gonna use this 2 more places. I'm just gonna copy paste it, and you want to go down here and paste it, and you want to save the config file. You want to go to world, want to go down to listen host, and you want to type in awesome, the same, yeah, you know, save it. That's actually it. Okay, so this is the final step, which is the hardest steps of them all. You want to go to your your router, but if you don't have a router, you just skip this step. If you have a router like me, you want to go to cmd ipconfig, and you will go to standard gateway, which is default gateway, something like that, but it's usually something like this, or 1.2 at the end, or 2.1. And you want to go to your router, which is mine router is 1.1, and you want to admin. No, mine is called Frederick. You should know what your username and account, your password is. Usually, if you don't mess with anything, it's admin and just no password, or admin, or admin password, or something you made yourself. I have made mine by myself. Good, and it takes me to my router. I'm using Linksys because that's awesome, and works really good with all these different things, port forwarding and stuff. Netgear is also good, but actually every router is good if you know how to work with them. Application and gaming, and single port forwarding. You can see I've already port forwarded all my ports.